warning for Kaiwi Channel, Hawaii Channel, Oahu leeward waters, Oahu windward waters, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southwest of Fad Buoy S to near Fad Buoy BO to 7 nautical miles northwest of Fad Buoy P, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Kahuku Point, La'i Point, Honolulu Harbor, Mokuta Islands, Heriaka Boat Harbor, Fad Buoy BO, Haleiwa Harbor and Waianae Harbor. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.